Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're at home. It is officially Halloween season. So we're going to check out all of their Halloween decorations for the 2026 season. I have this family of ghosts and their dog, along with the spider, a witch's hat, this light up tree in the back, which is not on. That is $70. It's like cascading lights. Probably looks really cool at night. Over here we have Stitch, Snoopy, and a Minion. All $35. And these two up here, it's a combo, Bob and Kevin, $150. We have these figurines down here, about, I'd say, 3 feet. Yep, about 3 feet. Got some more up here. And then a giant pumpkin inflatable with 8 pumpkins. And this guy up here. And that's a combo set for $80. And he goes inside. These are like reflective mirror lights. That's pretty cool. You can kind of see me. Hi. It's $100 for these. And all of these inflatables, $20. Some are 5 foot, some are 3, 4 feet. Different sizes, different characters. That is really cool. Race car for $100. And they have this giant 14-foot wide train for $180. A mummy, a witch, and a ghost. And he's taking them on for a ride. This one's really cool. And here we have kind of a Western style, which I do like this collection a lot. Love the cowboy hat. That sign's fun. Got some more stuff down here. Got a giant saloon sign. Yes, it is. You make noise? This massive 6-foot skeleton. These signs, you can put your face in the holes. Awesome dead and breakfast sign. We got over here, we've got some skeleton cows. Hey buddy, where's your ribeye? Some fun pillows. I really like the Western theme. They did really good with that. And these pictures are really, really cool. I'll get what's down here too. They have a lot of candles. They're fake, obviously. That is really cool. Headstone. It's $200 and it's 20 feet. No. It doesn't have a size. I'm assuming it's like 5 or 6 feet. This table's pretty cool. They have some skeletons. And pumpkins. Little room divider. That's fun. Candles. I thought that said smoked pig. Smoked plum and fig. We have these guys. This tall one here is 6 feet. These two, 70. We got a little spider for 20, and this set with the campfire is about 60.
We've been expecting you. The chamber ahead is where the fun begins. Enter if you dare. It's not for the faint of heart. Oh, and happy haunting.
This dragon. It's pretty cool. Cool little lamp. Oh wow, look at that one. That one's really neat. They did really, really good this year. I'm very impressed with the options they have. And on this side we have some giant inflatables. It's $100. We got a skeleton. Oh, and he moves. It's $100, 9 feet tall. He's riding a horse and a pumpkin. Oh no, the pumpkin's a different piece. Okay, so $100 you get the skeleton, who's dressed like Woody, and the horsey. We have a giant cat. And this one is 60. How big this cat is, it's huge. 219. And he has to be at least 15 feet, I'm assuming. Wow. Another skeleton. 120 for this ghost tower. This is pretty damn cool. It has to be around 10 feet, if not a little bit higher. And it's a snow globe. 12 feet. And it is $400. Let me try to back up so you can get the whole height of it. Because the ceiling's maybe about 15-16 feet high, and this thing is huge. They have a similar one for Christmas, a little bit smaller, and we almost got last year, but I love this one. And over here we have more pumpkins. This one looks to be about $80, and some ghosts. How fun is that? And we have these little light up pathway ghosts. Ooh, and pumpkins. And skulls. Oh, they stay lit up if I touch them. Fun. $150 for a giant dog holding a pumpkin. That tree's cool. I love the orange in the middle. And on this side, we just have some random decorations. Little table pieces, books, skeletons, and cats. Whoa. We got the broom, some signs and pillows. And if you need a sign to get here and pick up some stuff, there it is. There's your sign. It's a fun little tray if you're having a party or whatnot. You can put a bunch of candy and food there. Your alcohol, cauldron, clearance pillows. They got it all. Oh, I like this. I get sidetracked very easily. Love this pillow. Sip happens. And over here we have more items. A lot of ghosts, a lot of skeletons. Haunted house up there. That's cool. Really like that one. And if I miss anything, you could probably head to their website and check out to see pricing. So obviously I can't get everything, but at least I can show you as much as I could show you. And you can check it out online if you see something you really like. This guy is $250. Yep. More headstones over here. There's some flowers. Door hangers. A wreath holder. There you go. What is this? It's like, oh, it's super soft. It's like webbing. Look at that wreath. That's awesome, isn't it? I love the light ups. You could definitely put these in some of the windows. They look really cool. And a dinosaur. Who doesn't love dinosaurs? These are all your different skeletons. Oh, little sausage dog. Yes, because I need a little baby raptor in my life. Here's $6. I think you're going to be coming home with me. Oh my god, an octopus! How cool is this? It's alright, I like weird things. Can't get much weirder than little teddy bear skeletons. But this dinosaur is definitely coming home with me. And we got some more decorations. I guess boas, wreaths, stuff to put in jars. And on this side, we've got some pillows. Ooh, look at that one. Have like picture frames in the middle of it. Table runners, coffee mugs. They also have the fabric here, which you could do for a fireplace or a TV stand. Stuff's really good. Even the webbing. You could use that as well. Well, in case you need a hand. No, 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 no. Whoa, I see you. I don't know what happened, guys. You tell me. Look at these ghosts. This is so fun. I think my wife picked out this one we're gonna get. Oh, that one's adorable too. There's some more skeletons. What you thinking about? It's like you're dreaming. Some stuff over here. I need this sign in my life. I need this for work. This guy's huge. Found a dinosaur. This one is coming home with me. Don't know what I'm going to use it for or where I'm putting it. Also, containers on wheels. I could use about 50 of these right now. What are you calling for? And they got your traditional, I'd call this autumn, like a transition period between Halloween and Christmas, your autumn decor, which honestly I love decorating for. Love the oranges and the browns and the colors and the pumpkins. Excuse me, you guys know where the bodies are? No? What's in your basket over here? Not much of a talker, are you? Look at this light. That's so cool. And the lamp. Lamp is pretty awesome. And that's solid. I think probably ceramic or porcelain. Probably not porcelain, but like a hard material. Got a wheelbarrow with lights. You could definitely put a bunch of ice and drinks in here. Look at this light. Those are fun. Giant skeleton up there. Over here. We like to call them Murphy because we have one named Murphy. He sits out all year round. And then we got some more decorations over here. This guy is 4 feet 250. He is amazingly awesome. They have a ton of pumpkins, different colors, different shapes, different materials, different everything down this way. Oh, this one's pretty cool. It's like a fire effect. And they got some autumn pillows. I mean, you can mix and match, decorate however you want. Ooh, creepy. That's pretty cool. Right. It's like a Venus flytrap, kind of, sort of. And then we got a creepy door decor. Do you do anything? Oh, just your eyeballs. So now, for your massive $300 10-foot skeleton, they offer clothes. Do you believe this? Somebody at AtHome was like, you know what? We need to get clothes for the skeleton that's 10 feet tall on the front lawn. And you know what? I'm not mad at it. 40 bucks. He needs a couple outfits, don't you? You're looking a little naked there. Hey, buddy. What's up? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe. And until next time, bye.